Hi, I was just having a 15 minutes nap in my car, and I noticed one very strange thing. When I was awake and I was going to sleep, in between there was a time, not a time actually, it's a moment, like maybe half second, something like that. And I did heard in my mind or ear, but I don't know where, but it felt like something is being dragged on the ground. Uh, it made such a noise, and then I felt that it's done. I'm sleeping now, and but because I wanted to go on my other job, so I really don't want to sleep at this time. But this was so strange that in between your awakeness and your sleep there is an action of your mind or brain that when you literally go to sleep in and it makes noise. It has a noise that like a dragging noise on. Did you ever, any of you have ever felt the same thing? But you have to hear that the specific moment actually it can pass in half a second, maybe half second, something. Please tell me, because I got very curious and also got nervous too, that maybe it's a sign of some kind of brain problem. But yeah,